In a sunlit kitchen, a curious cook dives into a Turkish pantry to craft a daring 5-minute street snack. He whips up crisp simit shards, tossed with olive oil, paprika, and a whisper of pomegranate molasses for sweetness. A quick yogurt drizzle blankets roasted peppers, cucumber ribbons, and mint, turning simple ingredients into a park bench favorite. Steam rises as lemon zest zigs in, and a final pinch of flaky salt crowns the plate with a bold, tangy finish. The result is a bright, experimental bite that proves fast, fearless flavors can carry the warmth of home.